The first time I stood up on a surfboard, there was this wave of spirituality that came over me that was like, wow. And right now, I'm the oldest guy in the water, and I'll be 77 July 1st. I had arthritis, and it got progressively worse with the age. I was at the point where I couldn't go up and down the stairs at home. There's an aura about him. He's just real. He gave me 2 brand new knees. What could be cooler than that, man? Being able to paddle out with him and talk and sit in the water, very emotional. What doctor takes the time to do that with his patients? No words can explain. It was just very emotional. And UCLA, they're #1.